This is Grandeur Park Residences, the newest condo in Tanah Merah, located just a 3-minute sheltered walk away from the MRT, filled with some of the fanciest facilities you'll find, and poised to benefit greatly from the Bayshore transformation.
We are Alvin and Elizabeth from the Right Move.
And today we are bringing you on a tour on one of the best value 3-bedroom units around right now. You ready? Let's go!
Welcome, we are at a 980 square feet 3-bedroom flexi unit. What that means is that on top of the 3 bedrooms, we have an extra room that can double up as either a store, study, utility or helper's room.
Over in the kitchen, we have this nice glass wall. What that does is to give you the flexibility to open this up and convert this into an island kitchen. Also notice how this kitchen is quite large for 3-bedders of this size, or even the larger 1000 square feet 3-bedroom premium.
We have a spacious master. This is a queen-size bed with a king-size bed frame, and notice how we still have comfortable walking space around. It also leads to my favorite part of the house. The balcony in the master bedroom provides a great view of the pool. The 2 common bedrooms can also fit a queen-size bed and similarly faces the pool. But what really stands out about the 740 units Grandeur Park are its facilities.
And our favourite of which is the pool. As the pool is orientated towards the school, we have this unobstructed view that creates this vast, comfortable vibe. Other favourites among the full condo facilities are the Himalayan salt room, ice spa, outdoor gym, and the list goes on. And before we go, a quick look at the surroundings. Exciting developments beckons for the Tanah Merah area. We have the nearby Tanah Residences that has set benchmark prices for the area in excess of 2,200 PSF for similar 3-bedders, whilst also providing the area with commercial units on the ground floor. On a larger scale, we have the Bayshore transformation, which will be bringing 10,000 residential units to the area, of which 70% will be HDB, offering the area the upgraded demand that it used to lack.
For current amenities, we have the nearby Simpang Bedok, Eastwood Centre for F&B and grocery needs. The 3 shopping malls, Bedok Mall, Changi City Point and East Point, are just 1 MRT stop away. Lastly, we have the 3 primary schools within 1 km, Bedok Green, St. Anthony's and the popular Temasek Primary.
Thank you so much for joining us on the tour of this cozy home today. We hope you like the house as much as we did.
Don't forget to like and subscribe as it will help out the channel a ton. Till next time,
Bye.
bye.